Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, the place where we make fun of the morons and the idiots we see out here on the road. And there's none more stupid than this idiot. This idiot that wasn't paying attention, weren't looking where he was going. The only thing he's looking at now is a trail of destruction, what he's left behind him in his mirror. That's the only thing he's looking at. He's like Miley Cyrus, came in like a wrecking ball. Got this clip here from Rachel K. Keep your eye on that blue car, because the driver of that blue car weren't keeping his eye on nothing. Pulled straight out in front of that white van on the roundabout. What an absolute bell end. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Ryan R. Now he's just letting this silver transit van pull out in front of him, because that's what you do when you're driving around. We all give and take. That's how you got to get around. Backing off a bit, leave a nice little safe space. You always want a safe space. But the moron in the silver van don't want a safe space. He just wants to squeeze in. Van might be silver, but he takes a goal for driving dumb. Okay, so you've got this clip here from David N, and we're following this black BMW, the classic model. The black BMW with the black windows and the black wheels, and the driver's got a black empty space between his ears. Absolutely standard. Now, watch this special needs retard driver here, yeah? Goes up behind this learner driver there. Now, most people give learner drivers a bit of space, didn't you? A bit of patience, but not this idiot. Overtakes when there's a van coming, forcing the learner driver into the curb. That driver, that BMW's got the sort of intelligence you can never ever underestimate. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Morris M, and he's following this white transit van. Transit van pulls round to the right, and then the idiot in the Kia Niro with the IQ of 0 does exactly the same thing. Got the intelligence and the driving ability of a jellyfish you find washed up on the beach. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Russell C. Now, I don't know where it is, but I do know that the bus has got a bend in the middle, and it's got two antennas like an insect. And this guy's got the brain of an insect, just gone straight across. What an idiot. That's the sort of guy that plays solitaire for cash. Okay, so here I am sitting at these red traffic lights, just waiting for them to turn green. Couple of cars blocking the junction up there. That's normal. I mean, it happens to all of us, doesn't it, really? Okay, lights are gone green so I can go, but I can't go because a moron in the IKEA van just comes sailing through his red light. And now the same idiot is in the wrong lane. He's stuck behind that car. Probably because his pedals are getting jammed up because he's wearing flip-flops. Obviously can't wear boots because tying his laces is far too much of a complex task. Got this clip here from Ali G, and you're about to see typical brainless idiot manoeuvre. Don't wait for a gap to pull out. Just pull halfway across the road, or all the way across the road in some cases, and just stop the traffic and get out that way. Got this clip here from Andy, just going through these green lights there. And then from the left comes the idiot in a little white van, just bumps the front of his motor. No mirror signal manoeuvre. He's got the observational ability of a blind fish, this one. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Paul, and he's waiting at these red traffic lights here, just waiting for him to turn green to go across this crossroads. But here comes matey in the little road sweeper with the orange beacon of privilege flashing away there. The orange beacon of privilege that allows you just to go through red lights willy-nilly. He's a sort of bloke driving that starts an argument in an empty room. Okay, so this clip here, look at the weather conditions, look at the visibility, look how slow everyone is driving, yeah, all being careful, yeah? But not this moron in the black Mercedes, straight up the outside there, loses control, hits the Armco barrier, sends him spinning across the carriageway, bounces off the Armco barrier on the side, and that sends him back into the middle carriageway where he ends up facing the wrong way. Let's have a little steward's inquiry, here he goes, look, what an idiot. Loses control, maybe aquaplaning in these conditions, wouldn't surprise me. That sends him pirouetting across the carriageway. Look, how lucky was it no one got hurt? No one got hurt and not one vehicle got damaged, right? All these people's lives put at risk because of this subpar driver who hasn't got zero hazard awareness, zero driving skill, and doesn't belong behind the wheel. And there you go. If you look at the top right-hand corner, what do you see? The green roundel of dumbness and danger issued by Transport for London, yeah, to all their private hired vehicles. That dangerous moron right there, he don't belong behind the wheel of any vehicle. Okay, so got another little clip here from Paul, and this shows him going up a one-way street, Park Street, yeah. Now, as you can see, everyone's struggling. Why is everyone struggling? Because the Uber idiot is coming down a one-way street the wrong way, of course, causing mayhem, as per usual. And there's the green roundel of dumbness and danger in the rinder, one of the Transport for London's finest. That driver there is the sort of guy, if his boat was sinking, he'd be trying to bail it out with a colander. Got this clip here from Musa, and he's following this Range Rover. I don't know about Range Rover, I'd say he's hungover, drunk, or on the phone, look, straddling the line and everything. You couldn't challenge that driver to a battle of wits, because it'd be unfair, because he's unarmed. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Eddie G, and he's going up the dual carriageway behind this little blue van here. Looks like he's about to join the dual carriageway, and the Enterprise hire van just joined contact with his vehicle and hit him in the side. And just like the Starship Enterprise, he engages warp drive and he's gone. What an absolute idiot. That driver's definitely missing some cotton from his sewing machine, that's for sure. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Mo. And everyone's stopping at the red light. Everyone's waiting patiently at the red light. Apart from the moron in the black car. That idiot is so far backwards evolution-wise, when he gets out of the car, his knuckles drag on the ground. Okay, now, but following these two cars here, the red car is being towed by the silver car. But for some reason, the red car is in the middle of the road, and it looks like he's trying to overtake the silver car. Silver car is turning right, and the red car just tries to go straight on. He's a few peas short of a casserole, that idiot. Guys, if you've liked what you see so far and I put a smile on your face, can you do me a very quick favour? Just please hit that little like and subscribe button down below. It really does help the channel, if you ain't done it already. Thanks so much, guys. Right, let's have a look at some idiots on two wheels. So here I am going through my green light along with everyone else. And going through their red light is the idiot who's got a Bakewell tart for a brain. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Seth. He's waiting in the traffic. But the motorcycle that identifies as a pedestrian walking down the pavement don't wait in no traffic. His belt definitely don't go through all the loops. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Badco, and he's waiting at the red traffic light there. Just waiting for it to turn green. But that idiot ain't waiting for the light to turn green. He went around that bend fast, but he's so dense light will bend around him. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Musa. And you get this a lot when you work nights. You get drunk people, they hire these Boris bikes. And it's like this woman here. She's wobbling all over the place. She don't look too stable. And there's a lot of traffic there. Luckily, Musa's just in the next lane. He's giving her plenty of space there. Here we go, pulling up at the traffic light. She's not too stable there. She said, no, she's very unstable. She's gone down. Went down like a Siberian thermometer in January. Got this clip here from James K, just going down this dual carriageway there. And the idiot on the bike just pulls off the pavement straight into the road there, into the middle lane. That cyclist has got the hazard awareness of a fly following a plate of food into the microwave oven. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Mr. Thunder. Just waiting for the lights to turn green. That's it. Everyone can go. There's Matey in the Ivies on the scooter, and he just cuts across the front of that van there. Thick as a claw hammer. What an idiot. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Mo. Now watch from behind the back of the bus. There comes idiot number one on the scooter up the wrong side of the road there, down the cycle lane. And the other moron on the lime scooter just cuts across the front of Mo. Pair of them have got the intelligence of a retarded mosquito. Got this clip here from @ToxicLemon, and you'll find him on X. He's following a line bike rider, and they're not known for their mental agility and their sharpness at the best of times. And he's about to overtake this Uber idiot parked up on the left, far too close to that car, and that's what's happened. Line bike rider weren't paying attention as usual. Passenger in the Uber idiot's car opens the door, and that's the result. The pair of them idiots are both so slow it takes them 2 hours to watch a 60-minute video. So here I am sitting on Oxford Street, sitting at these red traffic lights here. But the entitled cyclist doesn't ever wait at the red traffic lights. Dearie me, no, he doesn't wait for pedestrians either. The contents of that idiot's skull is as empty as the contents of an inflated balloon at a kid's birthday party. Got this clip here from Moose, and he's going up Bishopsgate, just up by Liverpool Street Station, just turning left into this street here. And coming towards him in the middle of the road is a Deliveroo-Dummeroo rider. The Dummeroo rider that's as mentally slow as a snail on a treadmill. Well, that's it for this one, everybody. Thank you so much for watching to the very end. If you did, I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please hit that little like and subscribe button down below. It really does help if you haven't done it already. Thanks, guys. And a big thank you to all the people who send in video clips. As usual, couldn't do it without you lot. What we're looking at here is a beautiful, stunning Ferrari 355 GTS, about 1995, 1996, so just under 30 years old, and it doesn't look it one bit. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Have a good weekend, and see you in the next one. Bye.